What's going on, everybody? I'm Sailboat from Sailboat Sneakers, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about the future of Sailboat sneakers. I debated for a long time whether or not I actually wanted to make this video, and then once I had decided that I was gonna make this video, I debated for a long time on what I wanted to say during this video. 2021 has been a hectic year. Going into 2020, I had set a goal for myself, which was to do one sneaker show per month. One exposition, one convention, whatever it might be. Just one show. Obviously, with the way that the pandemic went down, I wasn't able to do that. Fast forward to 2021, and all of a sudden the world started to open up again. A bunch of sneaker conventions and expositions and events started to pop up, and I started to schedule myself for a couple of them. Now, to say that things got a little bit out of hand is a bit of an understatement. Since the beginning of April and up until the end of October, there will have been a total of two full weekends where I've been home in San Diego. I have been traveling almost every single weekend for some sort of sneaker show or some sort of sneaker event. Quite honestly, this year I think that I vended at about 25 shows, maybe even a few more than that. I've learned a lot about the different events that I vended at, and overall I've had some amazing experiences and also some not so wonderful experiences. I've legitimately vended at sneaker events where I have not sold a single pair. I've watched a little bit of the shift in the climate of the sneaker resale world and just a little bit of a shift in sneaker culture in general. It's been pretty exhausting. It's been a very long process, and there are still another 2.5 months left this year. So as I start to move forward, I gotta trim some of the fat. I will not be doing quite as many sneaker events and conventions in the future, but you can bet your ass that the ones that I will be at are going to be very well worth it. So while you might not see me at some of these smaller little pop-ups, you can bet that you'll see me all over the place at events like Kobe's and Sneaker Con and Heated Soul, and even sometimes events like Sneaker Pop-Up. I'm really excited for what the future holds, but I'm looking to do it on a little bit of a more grand scale where quality definitely overrides quantity. That being said, I do have to close out 2021 on a few bangers. And what I want to do is bring your attention to a few of the big events that I'll be closing out the year on, so you guys can see some of the big events that I will be attending in the near future. Coming up first, October 23rd, will be Sneaker Con Phoenix. This Sneaker Con is a one-day event that will be held from 12 p.m. until 7 p.m. and you can bet that you'll see me there with all of the cats from Arizona, and especially a couple of the guys that I vended with when I was up at Bay Area for SneakerCon. On Saturday, October 30th, The Liquor is going to be putting together a sneaker event up in Lake Elsinore, California. This event will be the first one put on by The Liquor and is sure to be a really good show. The Liquor has an amazing presence within the Southern California area, and I know a couple of the guys that buy and sell for them personally, and all I can say is they're a bunch of really good dudes that are hustling all the time, so I'm sure that this show is going to be a good one. Following up, we have another Sneaker Con. Quite honestly, this is one of the main reasons that I wanted to make this video, was so I could let you guys on the East Coast know that Sailboat Sneakers is going to be out vending at Sneaker Con Boston. I am insanely excited about this opportunity because I basically grew up in the Boston area. Love the city. It's rich with culture and history, and I cannot wait to get to SneakerCon there. Now, you might be thinking, it's a little bit unreasonable for me to just be shipping all of my inventory across the country, and you're absolutely right. So I'm doing this a little bit different. You won't be seeing any fresh beater box openings coming from me in the next several weeks. All of the beater boxes that I'm getting from Soul Supremacy are getting shipped over to the East Coast, where I'm going to be picking them up and getting them prepped up for SneakerCon. That's right, I am going to SneakerCon completely blind of what my inventory is going to be. I'm going to be taking a red eye in from the Wednesday night into the Thursday prior to the show. I'll be unboxing as many Soul Supremacy beater boxes as I can possibly get before that time, shipped over in that direction. I already got 3 so far, and I'm hoping that I can get at least 6 or 7 over there. I'll be unboxing them and filming them all in the same day, and then I'm gonna have to go through and I'm gonna have to clean and disinfect all of those sneakers so that they are ready to go for the show 2 days later. It's gonna be a crazy process, and I don't know how I'm gonna be able to pull it all off, but I'm really excited and I can't wait to show you guys this journey. It's gonna be a completely unique take on doing a sneaker convention. I'm hoping to get some one-of-a-kind footage and show you guys a really different way that I've ever done anything before. The date of that show is going to be Saturday, November 13th at the Heinz Convention Center in Boston, Massachusetts. A little bit of time off for Thanksgiving, and then we roll into the actual holiday season at the beginning of December, where we have 2 more massive shows to end the year. First up on Saturday, December 4th, is Heated Soul out in Tempe, Arizona. I did a Heated Soul back in April and it was absolutely amazing. It was a really dope show. I got to see a lot of my homies out there, and the guys that actually put on the show are a really awesome group of people. Really nice and down to earth, and I really appreciated their hospitality. So what can I say? I'm very excited to do another show out in that direction. And then of course, to end the year, we gotta bring it back to San Diego. The final show of the year as of now is gonna be Kobe Swap Me. You guys know that Kobe Swap Me is one of my biggest events, only event that I sponsor. I've had some great deals buying, I've had some great deals selling, I've made a bunch of amazing connections, and I am seriously looking forward to this show. That just about does it to kind of top off the conventions for 2021. The overall quality of these shows is going to be absolutely out of this world, and I am very excited. I'm really looking forward to all of these events, especially my first one out on the East Coast. So I really hope that I get to see some of you guys out over in that direction. Yeah, I don't know, I don't have too much more to say about it except for keep your eyes open. Now, like I mentioned, I still have a couple of beater box openings that are scheduled and a couple of previous convention vlogs that are scheduled. There's going to be continuous content rolled out, so you guys don't have to worry about any slowdown as far as what's been coming your way. I have a bunch of videos that are in the process of being edited. The website is going to be updated with a new pair every single day for at least the next month. So there's still a whole bunch of new stuff coming your way. I don't want you to think that I'm slowing down. This is just a little bit of a restructuring because right now there's a lot of exciting things going on. I really think that you guys will be excited to see some of the changes that are coming out from this camp. I'm sorry for the boring video. I'm sorry for how long that it got drawn out. I'm just really excited for these small kind of internal changes that'll be happening, and for some of the new content that I'll be getting out in your direction. Keep your eyes open. At any rate, thank you guys for checking in for this video, and I appreciate you guys that did stick around until the cold, bitter end. I'm Sailboat, and I'm out of here.